wrinkle-free glowing skin without expensive treatments, today I'm sharing a powerful egg white wrinkle-free mask that works like natural Botox. Ingredients: 1 egg white, 1 tablespoon corn flour, a pinch of wild turmeric, kasturi haldi. How to prepare? First, separate the egg white and add it to a clean bowl. Now add 1 tablespoon of corn flour and a small pinch of wild turmeric. Mix everything well until you get a smooth, fine paste. How to apply? Apply this mask evenly on your clean face and neck using a brush or fingers. Avoid the eye and lip area. Leave it on for 20 minutes until it feels tight. How to remove? Rinse with normal water and gently massage while washing. Pat dry and apply a light moisturizer. Benefits: egg white tightens skin and reduces wrinkles. Corn flour smooths fine lines and improves texture. Wild turmeric brightens skin and fights aging. Skin looks lifted, firm, and glowing instantly. How often to use? Use this mask 2 times a week for best results. Tip and caution: always do a patch test before using. If you have very dry or sensitive skin, apply a few drops of moisturizer after washing. If you found this remedy helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more natural skincare secrets.